Today, we're diving into the most amazing machine in the universe, your brain. Get ready for some mind-blowing insights. You might think you know yourself pretty well, but modern psychology has uncovered some truly mind-blowing secrets about how our brains actually work. Some of these might even challenge what you thought you knew about your own thoughts and behaviors. So, get ready, because we're about to reveal 5 hidden truths about your brain that will change the way you see yourself. First up, let's talk about memory. You probably think of your memories like video files stored in your brain, right? You press play, and the scene unfolds exactly as it happened. Well, psychology tells us that's not quite right. Your brain doesn't just record memories, it reconstructs them. Every time you recall an event, your brain rebuilds it from pieces of information. This means your memories can change over time. New information, your current mood, and even other people's suggestions can subtly alter what you remember. It's why two people can have completely different recollections of the same event. Your memory isn't a perfect recording. It's a living, evolving story that your brain tells itself. Pretty wild, isn't it? Next, let's look at something called confirmation bias. Here's the deal. Your brain loves being right. It loves it so much that it actively seeks out information that confirms what you already believe. And it tends to ignore or dismiss anything that challenges those beliefs. This is confirmation bias in action. It's like wearing a special pair of glasses that only let you see evidence supporting your opinions. This mental shortcut saves energy, but it can also trap you in a bubble. It affects everything from your political views to the products you buy. The first step to overcoming it is simply knowing it exists. Try to actively seek out different perspectives. You might be surprised at what you learn when you take off those biased glasses. All right, number 3 is a big one. You are not a master of multitasking. I know, you feel super productive when you're juggling emails, listening to a podcast, and planning your dinner all at once. But research is crystal clear on this. The human brain can't truly multitask. What you're actually doing is called task switching. Your brain is rapidly switching its focus from one thing to another, and every time it switches, there's a cost. It takes time and mental energy to re-engage with the new task, which leads to more errors, less efficiency, and increased stress. So, if you really want to get things done, the science says to focus on one thing at a time. Your brain will thank you for it. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about emotions. You might feel like your emotions just happen to you, like a storm that rolls in without warning. But a lot of psychological research suggests that your brain actually constructs your emotions. Here's how it works. Your brain takes in information from your body, like a faster heartbeat or sweaty palms. Then, it interprets these physical sensations based on the context you're in. For example, a racing heart could be interpreted as excitement at a concert or fear if you walking down a dark alley. This means you have more influence over your emotions than you think. By changing your thoughts and reframing the situation, you can actually change how you feel. Finally, our 5th hidden truth is about motivation, specifically the power of dopamine. Dopamine is often called the pleasure chemical, but that's a bit of a misunderstanding. It's more accurately the motivation chemical. Your brain releases dopamine not just when you get a reward, but in anticipation of it. It's the craving, the desire, the drive to go after something that gets you moving. This is the system that social media and video games tap into so effectively. That little notification or the chance of leveling up triggers a dopamine rush that keeps you coming back for more. Understanding this can help you hack your own motivation. Break big goals into smaller steps and celebrate those small wins. This creates a dopamine loop that will keep you motivated and on track. So, there you have it, 5 hidden truths that psychology has revealed about your brain. It reconstructs your memories. It's biased. It can't really multitask. It constructs your emotions, and it's driven by the anticipation of reward. Knowing these secrets doesn't just make for cool trivia. It gives you the power to understand yourself better and make more conscious choices in your daily life. It's a reminder that we are all works in progress, constantly being shaped by the incredible organ inside our heads. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the human mind. Let me know in the comments which of these truths surprised you the most. See you in the next video.